How to enable two-factor authentication on Discord. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, open Discord. Wait for the app to load. Once it is loaded, go back to the home page. Tap on your profile icon. Go to settings. After that, scroll down and then you should find two-factor authentication. Here, if you cannot find it, simply go to data and privacy. Then scroll down. If you cannot find two-factor authentication here, what you will have to do is simply tap on account, scroll down, and then here you will find an option of enable authenticator app. Tap on it. Enable your authenticator app by simply entering a password, and your two-factor authentication will be enabled by using an external app. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.